Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and there was a update to Google Chrome browser. And so if you want to stay safe, it contains quite a few fixes for vulnerabilities and security problems, including a few that are high severity, and of course a lot of medium and low severity fixes. So basically, if you want to stay safe, just update your browser as it was done yesterday. Actually, it started rolling out yesterday, Monday, April 26th, 2021. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 vulnerabilities that are actually fixed in here. So lots of little things, 7 or 8. So lots of little things to fix to stay safe. Just go to your Google web browser, 3 vertical dots, go to Help, and go to About Google Chrome. The version you want to be as of today, Tuesday, April 27th, 2021, 90.0.4430.93. So like I said, lots of security updates, and there's a few bug fixes also that are in here. So basically a few little things that have been fixed at the same time for the browser. So basically just check it out. The most important is mostly the security updates. So make sure that you are running the latest Google Chrome web browser. Once again, upper right corner, the 3 vertical dots, Help, and About Google Chrome. If you use Chrome every day, technically it should have updated by itself, but this will force to update if it has not done it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.